Alright guys, here we got a 1976 Polaris Starfire 250. It's my son's sled. We built this 6 years ago, and 5 years ago we actually did a video of it, and we already have one video on YouTube of it, but we figured let's do another one. Now that it's got a little age to it, it's been around, it's been ridden a lot. We've taken it on quite a few vintage rides, and we've taken it on some other rides, and we've probably put close to 1,000 miles on this sled now, and she's still looking like the day we finished it up. It looks sharp. It's a very fun sled to bring out. It gets a lot of attention, catches people's eyes, and a lot of guys seem to really like it. Since we had it done a couple years ago, we updated the seat on it. We got the correct seat foam for it and got a new seat cover for it, and redid that to get rid of, we had a custom one made at the time after we had the sled done, so that we'd have a seat on it, because actually when we bought the sled it didn't even have a seat, period. So since then we put the correct foam on it and a correct seat cover. That's about all we've done to it, other than put gas in the tank, check fluids, and ride it. That's basically what we've done for the last 6 years now on it. It still looks good, like I said. It's a fun sled. It is a clone. I will be straight up and be honest about that. It's not an original Starfire. We bought a 76 250 TX, and we wanted to make a Starfire clone. And we made it pretty close. It's not 100% correct to a clone. It's missing a few things that a correct Starfire would have. And if you were trying to clone one 100%, there's a couple of things you'd have to do to it to make it that way. But I don't care. It kind of looks like one. We enjoy it. Never really tried to pass it off as being a Starfire, so I'm always up front with people, and people ask questions about it. I just tell them it's a clone. We made it to look like a Starfire. So, and if we were to ever sell it, you know, it wouldn't be sold as a Starfire. It's a clone. You can tell as soon as you look closely at it. If you know anything about them, you'd know immediately it's not a Starfire. So, but it's Trenton's sled. He loves it. He's done a lot of riding on it. He has fun on it. So let's swing the hood up, Trenton. Let's take a peek at the engine. We'll fire it up and let people hear it. A little peek at the engine. Still very clean underneath the hood. Like I said, we just basically check fluids and put gas in it and ride it. And it's stayed really clean over the years. You know, we store it with a cover on it all the time, and he cleans it up. We just pulled it out of storage today. It's been sitting since last year, and he plans on riding it next weekend on a ride that we're going to go on, and he just pulled it out of the shed today, pulled the cover off, put some gas in the tank, and it fired right up. And it needs a little cleaning right now. It needs to be wiped down to have it show quality, shine on it. But for right now, I just wanted to do a quick video of it. Why don't you fire it up, Trenton, so we can hear it running. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please comment.